Hey guys, quick video how you can connect your MSI monitor to MacBook. It's super simple. So this is how it needs to be done. So what you need to do is that if you're gonna have the HDMI port or like display port, then what you need to do, you just need to USB-C HDMI adapter cable. So you're gonna have USB-C HDMI adapter, and you're gonna have the HDMI, then you're gonna have the HDMI cable, you're gonna insert it into USB-C HDMI adapter, and the ending you are going to put to your MacBook Pro USB-C. Bam, and you got it. So first you're gonna have the HDMI, you're gonna take the cable, then you're gonna have USB-C HDMI adapter, and you're gonna insert it to MacBook. So that is how it's done.